everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome salad recipe which is super tasteful and really easy to make. Hope you enjoy this recipe and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to grate some cucumbers. I'm using 300 grams. Strain the water out. Then cut 2 eggs, which are hard-boiled eggs, and cut them into squares. And then 30 grams of nuts. You can use whatever nuts you like. And some grated radish. After the ingredients are prepared, add them all into a bowl. The cucumber, the radish, the nuts, and the eggs. Add some salt and pepper. Also add some French mustard, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and mix it. When it's all done, you can plate it however you want. It's a healthy and really easy to make salad. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!